Hello, Water Nerds. I am here today to talk about the new Manage page. So on WeatherTrack Central, when you log in, you'll be on the home page, and the page that I want to talk about lives on the Controllers tab, and I go down here to Manage Controller. Classically, this has been the page where you go to manage a site or to manage a controller, see what the controller is thinking, how it's processing the programming with the conditions and the irrigation status, all the things you need to know about how the irrigation system is running out on that site. So things like a little weather projection, you've always had the ability to turn that controller on or off, or send pause, or schedule an event. And down here, the station irrigation schedules that are based on the way that each one of these stations is programmed. And so this is what we have classically had. But in the latest release, we had added this switch to new manage page over in the upper right hand corner. So if you switch to the new manage page, you see here we can start by choosing the controller that we want, and we go to the manage page to see what a controller is doing. So we have all of the great information that was displayed in the last controller. We've just added a few new tools. So you see here all of the great data, quick reports, things like that, controller status, and access to an alert specific report for this controller. All those things that you're used to. Also, all of the different actions that you can provide here from the manage page. We talked about turning the controller on or off, or rain pause, or scheduling a master valve override or an event pause. But now, as you scroll down, you can see we've added this calendar view of how your irrigation system is running. So it has that Outlook calendar feel where you can see the programs, the tasks, and the events. And you can go in and see what your controller is doing, the scheduled programs that are set to run, and what stations you can expect irrigation out of. You can also see events. We can go through weeks at a time, back as many as 50 weeks or forward as far as 2 weeks out, and see any sort of events that are scheduled or might have happened. So if I look in last week, I can see that there was manual irrigation here, and I can just go in and see what time that event was and what stations were run and who was responsible for this manual irrigation. So lots of great information about how the system is being managed. This whole upgrade was done with a focus on really making it easy to understand what the controller has done, it is doing, and what it will do. We can make these interactive displays very powerful. We can see everything we need to see on a calendar view. Now, if you like the way that it used to display, it is still available here at the bottom of the page. If we scroll down, we can see this manage stations where you can see what each station individually is thinking. One thing we have added here that will save a ton of clicks is the ability to go to this display, and where you used to be able to see the settings, now you have the ability to go in and change those settings. So if you do need to make some necessary adjustments to the schedule, whether that's changing it from auto mode to user mode, or changing a plant type or soil type, it's all available here from the manage page. And I can go through what I used to have to save and send and click back and forth between the manage page and the program page. I can do here easily and quickly right here from the manage page without a whole bunch of extra saving and sending and steps to accomplish what I'm trying to do. So this is a much more efficient way of managing either your station schedules like you see here, or your program schedules like you see here. So lots of great enhancements to the workflows, lots of great ways to use the manage page to save you time. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, again, you'll be able to see all of the notes and attached files, including pictures and all the other things that you might have stored on the cloud about your controller or about your system. So the new manage page is underway. We're excited to have some users start using it, providing feedback on their experience and how it's helping them, or how we can help make it better in the future. So please log in and check out the new manage page and tell us what you think.